Hello guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you the CapCut tutorial on how you can change the language setting. So here I've already opened my CapCut, and the current language setting that I use is English, and I want to show you how you can change that. So first, after you open the CapCut, just go to the settings menu at the top right corner, and in here you'll see at the top the app language option. So just click on the arrow here, and you'll see lots of language options that you can change into. In here, for example, I want to change it into my original language or my mother tongue, Bahasa Indonesia. So just click on the language that you want and click on done, and after that your CapCut language setting will be changed. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.